Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to build a Gadget Shopify application where we will fetch the uh, product from external API and add those product in our Shopify store. So we will make external API call from our app, Shopify app, and display those product in our Shopify app. Then we will have a button for add that product into the Shopify, and if you press that button, that product will be automatically added in your Shopify store. So we will be using fake store API for this. And now let's go to the gadget and click on new app and create the new Shopify app and name it anything you would like. In my case I will name it product header and confirm that, and it is going to create the app. Now we need to connect this gadget app with our Shopify app. So we need to create an app in Shopify partner. So let's go to the partner and create a new app and create app manually, and I will name it exo product header and hit the create button, and my app is created. Now I will copy this client ID and I will connect to Shopify from the gadget, and here I will place the client ID, and similarly I need to grab the client secret. I will copy that and I will paste that over here. Click continue, and we need the product scope, product read and write scope. So I will click product and I will select this product scope and click confirm. And now I need to copy this URL and add them in our Shopify partner. I will go to the configuration, and over here I will paste the app URL, and similarly I will copy this and paste the callback URL, and then click save and release. And now our app is connected, our Shopify app is connected with the Gadget app. So let's go back there, and now we need to install this app in our store. I will go back to my Shopify partner and click on overview, and from here I will select the store. I will select the Wixo checkout store for this app, and it will ask me to install this app. I'm okay with the permission, and I will click install, and now our app is installed, and this is the main landing page of our website, our application. So I'll go back to the Gadget web editor and click on the web, and then click on the routes and click on the index.js, and this page is coming from here, the one we have over here. So let's change this page and grab the product from external API. So I will copy and paste the code, and in this code we have fetch product function, and we are fetching the product, making the fetch API call, and this is the API URL. It will respond back the data, and then we set the product in the set product state, and after that we will display those product over here. in the resource item. So let's save that and reload the page, and now you can see we have these products which are coming from the external API. Now we need to add this product to Shopify, and before that we need to create another file in the API. First I will create a new folder and name it routes, and inside a route folder I will create a new file and I will name it post dash bracket add-product.js, and then I can make the API call to slash add product. Similarly, like over here, if I go back to index.jsx and when I click add to Shopify button, it will make the fetch API call to add product, and we will post this data, and over here we will handle that API request. And now I'm going to replace this code which I have already written. So I will explain to you. Once we get the API request over here, we can make the connection. So we will make sure this is the current Shopify store connection, and for that we will have a connection.shopify.current. It will give us .shopify, and for this Shopify we can make the GraphQL query, and this is our GraphQL query. We get the body, and in the body we have our data like title, description, price and image, and this is our GraphQL query to creating the product. We are simply putting the title and description HTML only. We are not passing the price or image, just the simple create product GraphQL query. And once the product is created, we will get the response, and then we can display the logger message that product created successfully in the Shopify. So let's go back over here and try to, let me just open the product first. So you can see these are the current products. Okay, now let's try to add a new product over here. Click add, and now go back over here and reload the products page, and as you can see we have a new product over here. If we sort them like created and the newest file, and you can see we have the new product over here. Similarly, we can add another product. Let's try to add this one. This is added, this is also added. Let's try to add one more and add more. So if I reload this page again, and you can see we have a new product over here. So this is how you can fetch external API products from any API endpoint, and then you can add them into your Shopify store using the Gadget and Shopify app. Very easy stuff, and I hope you like my video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.